right, we're over here at another portion of the pool, which is our gas heater. And as the water travels through the pump and the filter and back to the pool or the spa, it does run through your pool heater. If you have a pool heater, they can be a gas heater or a heat pump. This one has a gas heater that heats the spa. It can also heat the swimming pool, so keep that in mind. And that's all done through the control panel. The heater actually has a vent here, so you want to keep things clear of that vent. You can see a large gas line that comes up through the ground that's all buried, and then there's a shutoff valve right here. So if you ever have any problems with this heater, if I come over here and I smell gas and I'm not sure where it's coming from, the first thing I want to do is shut this heater off, okay? And it's usually the valve is perpendicular to the line. So right now it's shut off. As I turn the valve parallel to the line, it's on. So that's how you can tell whether a valve is on or off. A lot of problems that we have with heaters have to do with flow, and it has to do with sometimes the settings. People might come in here and turn the heater off. They might adjust the temperature down. So you really don't want to mess with this display panel. We leave this on, we have it set to 104 degrees, and then this is remotely controlled by that main unit over there. So really stay away from touching any of the buttons on your display panel. A good heater is gonna come on. It'll say what temperature, and it'll have an orange light under heating. So another item that we get calls on a lot is it sounds like when the heater comes on, there's rocks in the heater. Rocks in the heater, you'll actually hear from inside the heater, that's actually the water boiling and overheating too fast and trying to escape. So imagine hot water coming in, it flash boils, and it's trying to expand and get out as quickly as possible. So it sounds like rocks clanking around the heater. That's a flow issue. So not enough water is flowing fast enough into the heater. These heaters need anywhere from 50 to 60 gallons per minute. So if you hear those rocks, it's usually a heater bypass or a setting on the pump. So that's the first thing that we're gonna need to check. After that, if we do have any failures with heaters, the heaters actually will put out an error code. So one of the most critical pieces of information we can get is if you turn the heater on, it's supposed to be heating, it says it's heating on the panel, you come over to your heater, you look at it, you figure out the heater's not on, and you look for an error code. If you need to toggle that back off and on to where this comes on, you're looking for an error code, you can get some pictures or document that. Call us at warranty. A lot of times we might be able to talk through it over the phone, or we can call Pentair Service Center and have them come out and take a look for you.